Hi everyone. Today we're in the presence of Sean Ahearne. Thank you very much for being with us, Sean. Hi, welcome, and how are you?
Thank you, Larry. Hi, everyone. I'm good. My name is Sean Ahearne. I'm a senior research scientist at Dell Technologies, based in Ireland myself. And within BRAINE, I serve as the technical manager or technical coordinator of the project.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you, Sean. We would like to discuss and delve into the topic of the BRAINE project. Could you tell us quickly what it consists of, please?
Of course. The BRAIN project as a whole is quite an ambitious, I would say, software and hardware project. Starting with the hardware, what the team in the project have developed is a brand new type of modular system called an edge micro data center. What we do with that is it's a small device that fits in into a rack, but within it you can slot in many different types of hardware, Intel or AMD CPUs, ARM CPUs, GPUs, and other things, and they all work together seamlessly to deliver a heterogeneous computing experience designed to be used at the edge, particularly to accelerate functions. On the software side, then we had to build an entirely new software platform to uh, to support all of these different types of boards. So within that, we developed an entirely newer software platform built entirely around Kubernetes and containers, is what they're called, and that is designed to uh, both reduce the need for virtual machines, and also make it much easier to orchestrate and scale the platform as it might grow, as the amount of applications that you use at the edge continues to grow.
Lovely, fantastic. And what's your role? What's your position? What do you basically do? How do you deal with the project?
Yes, for my role as the technical coordinator, the way you can do it in a European projects varies. I myself personally took quite a hands-on approach, I would say, meaning I was quite very directly involved with all of the other consortium members in driving the technical development of the project. That includes both the implementation of the hardware, and I had a quite heavy involvement then, and of course, in the design of the overall software architecture of the project. All of the functions, functions that were going to be developed, how the use cases will make use of the software and the hardware once it's all been created and integrated. Um, and generally providing quite a lot of support for some of the partners within the consortium that might have less technical background in a lot of the technologies that we use.
Thank you, Sean. Let's remain on the use cases. Um, could you explain something about the architecture and its application to the brain use cases?
Sure. For example, in use case two is a smart cities style use case. The idea of the customer for this type of use case would be somebody like a telecoms operator. They'd use the Brain EMDC, for example, at a mobile base station. At that mobile base station, they'll have many different users. You'll of course have your regular mobile users with with their telephones. You'll have business users that will be doing quite a lot of different things. One example of one of our enterprise business units is actually a city government municipality. They'll have security cameras in the local area of that base station, taking in CCTV information and having that be processed for things like, we'll say, possibly speed cameras, even could be license plate detections, things like that, on that local Brainy EMDC. The thing is, all of these different functions by all of these different entities are all being done on the same device, and we've
Fantastic.
built a system that can support that.
That's very interesting. Very well, Sean. I think that would be all. Is there anything else you would like to add or discuss in further details with us? Is there anything else you would like to say? Otherwise, I think that will be all.
I think that's a very, very brief overview of
Thank
the
you.
things that are going on in the brain. Thank you
Thank
for
you. Then thank you. Very brief, but very, very thorough and very exhaustive. So thank you very much for your fantastic talk with us, and all the best on the rest of the day. Bye.
Thank you, Lara.